Hello folks, it's Daniel from Aston Digital here. Hope you're having a great day. I've got a little something I want to share with you today. Today is all about a driving shift that we're seeing in authenticity content marketing. Yes, it's a mouthful, I know. What it really means is we're seeing a big change in the way that authenticity matters in content marketing or in advertising campaigns. You see, once upon a time, you could simply put a flashy piece of advertising out there and that would be sufficient. But today, consumers are looking for authenticity to be at the core of marketing campaigns that are published. You see, consumers today are more informed. They're more skeptical. They want to know the truth behind brands. They're not looking for the flashy, hyped, overproduced marketing or advertising campaign that once was. What this means is to put authenticity at the core of a marketing or advertising campaign. What brands have to do is focus on things like storytelling, going behind the scenes, showing what really happens in the company or within the brand. That could be something as simple as having your face on a video as an example, or it could be having a team photo shoot, not necessarily one that's staged, but something where you're interviewing or showing members of your team talking about a particular topic, but something that really shows that they're real humans, not necessarily something that's pre-produced that people are going to be able to look straight through. The key to authenticity in marketing campaigns is all about building trust. And the way that you build trust is through transparency. Transparency to your audience that shows them who you really are. It's like lifting the veil behind the flashy brand that you might and probably do have and showing what's really happening behind that brand. Giving organizations and consumers a feeling for what's going on in your company. You're looking to build loyalty and trust. You want to create a community around your brand so that people want to talk to you as a brand and engage with you as a brand. You want to engage your audience's journey. Now, what that means is they go through a journey when they're engaging with you, whether that be buying once or buying multiple times. You want to feed that journey so your audience member, ultimately your customer, feels part of your brand as they go through the life cycle of engaging with your company. This doesn't matter if you're a small brand that are engaging with only 3 customers, or maybe you're a large brand that has millions of consumers worldwide. The same thing applies. You just roll that out tactically in different ways depending on the size of the company. As we look ahead, it is quite clear into 2025 that authenticity in marketing is going to become the absolute stalwart of what organizations are going to need to focus on. What this means is away with some of the flashy stuff and in with more authenticity, more realness. At Aston Digital, it's what we focus on for all of our customers. Authenticity and showing behind the scenes is pretty much the place we start every single time. Anyone who's ever engaged with us is going to be sick of hearing, give us some faces, give us some real people, tell us the stories, all the stuff that we always say, because it has always been so pivotal. It is now even more pivotal. So if you need help putting some authenticity into your marketing campaigns, you know just where to look.